Are you struggling with premature hair loss? You're not alone. The number of people experiencing this condition is increasing rapidly. Even so, treatments have remained ineffective and expensive. Until now. Meet Fillizer, the best hair restoration device available anywhere. A product of South Korea's cutting-edge cosmetic industry, Fillizer is built to both prevent hair loss and promote hair regrowth. Here's how Fillizer's combination of proven treatments works. The comb acts as an innovative delivery system for the powerful Maduka seed ampule formula, which is clinically tested and all natural. Many hair growth systems waste formula by applying product to the hair. But Fillizer's stainless steel bristles use a pumping mechanism and internal vacuum to apply the ampule directly to the scalp. The comb also features built-in red LED light and safe galvanic currents to provide low-level energy light therapy. This therapy stimulates blood flow and encourages thorough absorption of the ampule formula. What's more, the stainless steel balls at the tips of the bristles rejuvenate the scalp and protect it against rashes and allergies. Fillizer's holistic treatment is FDA approved and has 0 adverse side effects. Not to mention, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simple, safe, effective, and affordable. It's the holistic solution for hair regrowth. Get proactive in the fight against premature hair loss with Fillizer.